Stop moving, cunt.
Can't even see your dick. Farrell's fucking hands covering it.
Shut up, cunt. Don't make him fuck up, I tell you. I ain't getting this shit done twice.
You already have.
Yeah. Fuck off.
This is the second time, you goose. Hurry up,
Let's
go.
fucking get on.
Hurry up.
Put some more ink in that fucker and let's do it. Oh, no fucking around.
Fucking hell.
Now, can you even see where you're going?
You don't know, you think
Lovely.
this is third or fourth time.
Hold on. Stop moving, you fucking... Ow!
Hold on, I need another lucky band.
Oh, fucking thing.
Fucking hell.
Oh, this poor little cunt.
Oh, this cunt fucking spraying it like hell. He's gonna put door on it, mirror.
I don't think any chick can suck that shit away, man. Dude,
Oh,
you
fucking
don't know how
Jesus.
painful that actually is.
Oh, man.
Stick in?
You're on your own, eh? Fuck that. That's
It
great.
must be staying there.
Great.
You keep fucking moving that much, you fucking knob jockey.